Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're tackling a crucial question in apartment management. How many technicians do you need per unit? We'll be exploring the factors that influence this ratio and how software like UpKeep can help you track your team's productivity. So whether you're just starting to staff a new complex or looking to optimize your existing team, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Let's dive into a common question in apartment management. How many technicians are needed per unit? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Some apartment complexes manage with 2 maintenance technicians per 100 units, while others operate with just 1 for every 500. The ratio ultimately hinges on the volume of work orders you receive and the time each job takes to complete. So if you're in the process of staffing a new apartment complex, a good starting point would be to have 2 technicians per 100 units, alongside your maintenance manager. As time progresses, you can adjust the number of staff as necessary. But how do you gauge the productivity of your apartment maintenance staff? Here are some metrics worth tracking. 1. The number of work orders completed each week. 2. The average time elapsed from when work orders are made to when they're completed. 3. The average wrench time, or active work time, for each work order. Here's a pro tip. These metrics are a breeze to track using work order management software. UpKeep is one of many CMMS, or computerized maintenance management system, software options that can help maintenance and facilities teams better track their data. If you're interested, you can start a free trial over at UpKeep's website. Generally, you'll find that most work orders don't take very long, maybe 10 to 15 minutes at most. Those that take longer are fewer, but they represent a larger time investment for your technicians and are definitely worth counting. So, how do you decide the number of technicians your apartment complex needs? By tracking how many orders are being completed each week, you can compare the total wrench time to your total paid hours. This will give you an estimate of how many technicians you actually need on staff. For instance, if each work order takes 2 to 3 days to complete, but only requires a brief period of wrench time, you're probably understaffed. Similarly, if your larger orders tend to be left undone while smaller ones are finished promptly, that's another sign of being understaffed. Conversely, if you're completing all jobs in a timely manner, and the total work time is significantly lower than your paid hours, you might need to streamline your maintenance team a bit. In conclusion, the goal is to ensure you have enough technicians to handle tenants' work requests promptly, while also keeping your staff busy enough that they're not constantly waiting for something to do. It's all about finding that perfect balance. And that wraps up our video. We've discussed how to determine the number of technicians needed per unit, how to track your team's productivity, and how software like UpKeep can help. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about our software and how it can help your team, visit us at upkeep.com. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in the next video.